Hey everyone, Dave Moorhead here. Today we're going to make vegan taco pizza. Whoa. Here are the ingredients. I will also put the ingredients down below the video. You need to check the ingredients of the pizza crust you use. Some pizza crusts contain milk, egg, or cheese in them. These ingredients are not vegan. Spread the refried beans on top of the pizza crust. Sprinkle a little bit of each spice on the refried beans. Use very little salt. You can always add more later if you need it. Put some parchment paper on a baking sheet and spray it with a little oil. This will help crispen the bottom of the pizza. Spray a little oil on the outer edges of the pizza crust. This will help crispen the edges. Bake for 20 minutes at 425 degrees Fahrenheit or 218 degrees Celsius. Cooking times will vary. Cook until the outer edge of the pizza crust is browned. Congrats! You just made vegan taco pizza! Delicious! If you make this recipe, please let me know in the comments. If you would like to see more vegan recipes, please like and subscribe and hit the bell icon so you'll be notified when I upload new videos. Thank you and bon appetit!